Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pre-move on chess.com. So let's begin. So here we are in chess.com, and now what we need to do is go click here on play. Let's go click on play first so that we can access the settings right here. So from here you want to play online, you want to select this first, play online. And from here you want to go and select this right here, settings button at the top. And from here you want to go click here on play. And from here, click on live. And now we have the enable pre-moves option right here, and hit on save. Once you have toggled this on, hit save. And now you can do your pre-move. And to do the pre-move, it's basically very simple. All you have to do is to move your pieces while it's your opponent's turn, and it would move automatically when the opponent moves exactly as you predicted it. And if you're not seeing this option right now, maybe you are playing against a computer, you won't be able to see this if you're playing against a computer, or maybe you can try logging in if you're not logged in yet here in chess.com. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.